Good morning, good afternoon, good evening. Wherever you're watching from, I go by the name Paul Walkway, a real estate expert based here in Enugu. And I also cover Owerri as well. And today we'll be giving you updates on the Enugu International Conference Center, which was abandoned for a very long time. So the governor is renovating it, including the presidential hotel. They are also renovating that one as well. So today, drive around, and also I couldn't get access to it. Okay, but just stay tuned. I will show you from afar. Okay, enjoy the ride. So from here, you can see the Enugu International Conference Center. Like I said, I wasn't granted access into it, but I will drive to Spa, and from there we can have a good view of it, so you can see how work is going on and the feelings they have done. I think the work is going pretty much well and fast, and I hope to see more projects like this. From the Enugu governor, although he's trying his best, but I think he should do more. Yeah, right. Right. So this is the gate, but I wasn't granted access, like I said. Well, I'm gonna go to Spa, so we can continue from there, right? So let me know what you think about this conference center. How you think it's gonna develop Enugu, or if you're looking to invest around this neighborhood, right now is the best time to invest. Like if you're looking to buy like hotel, or looking to build hotel, apartment complex, plaza, recreation centers, this is the best time to get a location, because when this international conference center is ready, people who come here for, international from another countries, like another African countries, or even the US, would actually stay in your hotel, right? Right. Or maybe you want to put up maybe something like a mall. Yeah, this is the best time, right? So let me know if you want to buy lands around this area. Lands in this area is around 120 million naira for 1,000 square meters, depending on the size. So you can check how much you're going to be needing, right? Yeah, so this is Spa Mall. Yeah, if you don't know Enugu very well, this is Enugu Mall. This is Spa, where you popular Spa. This is it. Yeah, so we'll drive close to the car wash so we can be able to get a proper view, right? Then I will talk about my views on this. Okay, you can also leave your views down in the comment section. I would love to hear what you have to say. And also, if you're looking to move into Enugu, you're welcome. Okay, Enugu is a good place to move and also to live and train your family, right? And if you're coming down from Lagos and looking for duplex to buy or bungalow, I got you covered. Or even if you're in the diaspora, who have lots of properties here in Enugu, or you want to build your own, we can actually secure a land for you, right? So I'm going to park here and take a walk to where I can be able to see the view. From here, you can see the view, right? Yeah, right. That's it. So I'm gonna go to where we can probably see it very clearly. All right, stay tuned and don't go anywhere.
Travel and tourism contributed 3.6% to Nigeria's GDP in 2022, which was equal to around 17.3 billion US dollars. Compared to 2020, the contribution of travel and tourism to the Nigerian economy experienced an increase.
You see that place is very high, and it seems like coming down like this towards the gate. The gate is along that road that we passed. The place is huge. It started from here, this fence, to the other side of government house. It started from this side to the other side of the government house. So it's a very big, massive conference center. So we are looking at I'm looking at what this conference center is going to do for Enugu. I think it's going to bring more, families down to Enugu, and it's going to make big events. If the government or private sector wants to host a big event, they will do it here, because the one in Anambra is doing very well. The one in Anambra, they have holds multiple conference there. So this one is also a good thing, coupled with the presidential hotel renovation. So both will be working hand in hand. So when government officials come down to Enugu for maybe any conference, they will lodge in presidential hotel and come for the conference here. So I'm urging anybody who is interested in investing in Enugu to start now. Like now, you can still get lands in Independence Layout for as low as 80 million for one plot. So you can buy 2 plots and use it for hotel. Definitely hotels. This location will need more hotels and more apartment complex and duplex as well. So if you're thinking of investing in the east, Enugu is the right place you should start with, because houses, the same house you can buy in Lagos for 250 million, you can buy it a lot cheaper down here. I'm telling you, you can buy it a lot cheaper down here. Let's say you can buy it for 180, because property in the heart of Lagos, it's above 500 million, but here you can still get it for 300, which is very good. So the same quality and everything. So if you would like to buy properties, let's say buy land or house in Enugu, you can give me a call with the number somewhere on the screen. Okay, have a lovely day. Bye bye.